Guys, welcome to the Rolling On channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if it's your first time joining us, my name's Zach. If you remember a couple months ago, I got this clock kind of working. Basically, it just works off a solenoid, striking a little gear every 60 seconds or so. But my buddy Jake from Jake's Custom Shop, he basically makes Euro rack and Euro rack modules. I'll link his website in the description. He gave me this today, which is pretty cool. I knew he said he could make something for this, but I didn't know he was going to. But he just ended up giving it to me today. Basically, he did a little bit of coding and made this cool little circuit board. I'll give you a close-up of this in a second. But basically, it just has a positive and a negative, and it's going to shoot off this solenoid, and it's basically just a timer for my clock, which is freaking cool. Yeah, so basically I have my power supply going here. And the little solenoid moves that. Basically I'll just wire that into this board, and it's going to be a little timer chip for this, which is basically turning this mechanical clock into a digital clock. So I'm not going to pretend to have any idea what's going on here. It's pretty cool though. Said this solenoid shouldn't care about polarity, so. It's lighting up, so hopefully something's happening here. So watch my other video if you want to see more about this, but basically there's a synchronization feature where these contacts flip, and then you have to send power to this wire instead of this wire to get the solenoid to shoot. And we don't want that. We want it to just shoot with the same wire every time. So we're basically going to bypass this and just hook one of our leads right here. So this isn't exactly tidy, but I want people to know where things were hooked if they ever go in here to do anything. So I'm just going to cut those off there. And I'm going to replace these wires. They're totally a fire hazard. Some nice wire I can run in here. Alright, so I got the board all mounted and everything here. It's working like a charm. We had it set to 100 milliseconds before. When I say we, I mean my buddy Jake. And it didn't allow the solenoids to open fully, so the gear wasn't spinning every minute. But we updated that to 1,000 milliseconds, and that seems to be just about perfect. And here's Jake's code for this clock if you're interested. But yeah, you can see here 100 milliseconds too short, so we just switched it to 1,000. Stays open a little longer, and I was concerned that the time might be off, but he wrote it in a way that it subtracts that from 60,000, which is a minute. So this was a cool little project. I have this installed on my laptop now, so it was fun to play with. Alright guys, so the clock is working now. I'm just going to put this on here delicately in case I need to mess with it again. And I wrapped a coat hanger around this water line and put a little hook on it, and I think that's gonna be good. Alright guys, that's about it for the Shop Clock Chronicles. Again, a big thank you to Jake from Jake's Custom Shop for writing the code for this and putting together the little circuit board to basically turn this old mechanical clock into a digital clock for us. I just ended up hanging this up from a water line with a piece of coat hanger, so it's probably not great, but it'll work. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. Right now I'm trying to finish up the Monster Mini Bike project. Once that's finished, I plan on getting to work on the Nitro Speedboat, so I have that going for the summer. On top of that, I have a couple more projects I've been working on. So I would love it if you'd follow along, leave a comment, reach out to me in direct messages, and let me know what you're thinking of things. If you have an idea for something we should do, go ahead and shoot me a message. So today's December 23rd, getting ready to close out for the year. If you subscribe to the channel and you've been following along, thank you. I really appreciate you coming along for the ride. Wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. Creeping up on 2,500 subscribers on here. Till next time, guys, take care. And remember, I put a link to Jake's Custom Shop in the description, so go check out his stuff. Super cool. He also has a YouTube channel, which I'll also put a link to. I think it's Jake's Custom Shop also. He dabbles in a little bit of EDM music and that type of thing, so go check it out. He has some cool videos too.